Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this Tulle detachable collar. These are materials and measurements for my collar. First, I'm burning ribbon edges so they don't fray. Next, I'm pinning two thin ribbons on each end of the wide ribbon. It looks like that, and I'll be sewing a straight stitch there and on the other side. This is how it looks after I sewed both ribbons on. Next, I'm preparing my tulle fabric. I'm hand sewing a straight stitch 3 centimeters off the edge to gather my tulle fabric. Next, I'll be pinning my ribbon on the top of the tulle. I'm evening out my gathering on my tulle. Next, I'm folding down my seam inside so it's not showing on the right side, on one side and the other side. Then I'm placing that on the top of the tulle and I'm pinning that down on one edge. And I'm pinning other side same way. My seam is folded inside so it's not showing on the right side. Now I'm evening out my gathering on my tulle fabric and I'm pinning the ribbon on the tulle. Now I will sew a top stitch all around the ribbon, like that, 1 millimeter on the top of the ribbon edge all around. My ribbon is sewed on a tulle and it looks like that on the right side. Nice and neat, and it looks neat on the left side as well. Next, I'm removing red cotton which I used to gather my tulle fabric. Now I'm folding my collar in half, pinning the center, and last thing what I need to do is sew on my label. And here's my finished collar. This is the left side with my label on, and this is the right side, nice and neat finish. If you have any questions how I made this detachable tulle collar, please do comment down below on the comment box. Also, I made other 2 videos on how to make detachable collars. Please check it out on my YouTube channel, and I will add those 2 links down below on description. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video, I'll appreciate that a lot. Love, Anita. See you next time.